how to create a course on Standstore. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can create a course on Standstore. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is create your Standstore account. Over here, you will see the option to add a product. After that, choose e-course from the options provided. Then you will have options to create the thumbnail, checkout page, and the course itself. For the style, you can pick between a button, callout, or preview. Over here, I'm going to choose a callout. Next, upload an image for your thumbnail. After that, add your course title. Keep in mind that there's a 50 character limit. Then click on Next. Now you'll need to set up your checkout page. Over here, upload an image and add a description for your course. You can use tools like Chatty to create a compelling description. Then you will see the course creation page where you can add modules and lessons. Over here, create your modules and within each module, add lessons. If you need ideas for structuring your course, you can use chat to get suggestions for modules and lesson topics. After that, you can rename your modules and add content like videos or text for each lesson. Then repeat this process to create all your modules and lessons. Once you are happy with your course, click Publish. After that, your digital course will be live and ready to sell. So that's how you can create a course on Standstore. That's all for this video.